probably found dozens of videos claiming it can be done in just a few minutes, but do those methods actually work? In this video, I'll explain the current situation with rooting the Honor X7C, why most tutorials are outdated or misleading, and what the real obstacle is that prevents root access on this device. I'll also show you the methods people are trying, which tools are compatible, and which ones you should avoid to keep your phone safe.